Introduction to Textile Science. We have the importance of studying textiles to a fashion designer. The first importance is on acts as a professional career. Then you have the next importance, that is it helps designers to make a sensible choice of choosing fabrics that complement the design. For you to come up with a perfect design, you have to consider the type of the fabric you intend to use when designing a certain garment. Then you have the importance number 3. It enables designers to make different types of fabrics and fabric construction methods. Then you have the other importance is designers acquire knowledge on how to care for different textile products. On caring for different textile products, it includes, for example, you have the how to wash the various garments and all sorts of caring. Then you have the last importance. Designers are able to improve on the aesthetic value of different fabrics. When you talk about aesthetic value, this one is the beautiness of the fabrics. So, classification of textile fibers. Textile fibers are classified into two main classes. You have the natural fibers and the man-made fibers. Then you have a diagram that is showing us on the differences between the two main classes. We have under the we start with the natural fibers. Under the natural fibers, we have the vegetable fibers. Then we have the animal fibers. Then you have the mineral fibers. Vegetable fibers contains of we have cotton, an example of a vegetable fiber. You have linen, you have jute, you have hemp, we have rami. Then under the animal fibers, we have wool, we have silk, etc. Then you have mineral. Under the mineral fibers, you have asbestos, glass, and the metallic fibers. Then you have the other class, that is the man-made fibers. Under the man-made fibers, you have regenerated and the synthetic. Under the regenerated fibers, we have viscose rayon, capri ammonium, we have rayon, acetate rayon. Under the synthetic, we have the nylon, polyester, acrylic, and the propylenes. Natural fibers. What are natural fibers? These are the fibers that occur naturally and are extracted from natural resources or raw materials. They are further grouped into 3 classes: vegetable, animal, and the mineral fibers. When you go back to the vegetable fibers, they are also known as the cellulosic, and the animal fibers are also known as the protein fibers. One by one, we start with the vegetable stroke plant stroke cellulosic. All those are the names of the fibers. So plant fibers are composed of cellulose, i.e. the structure of material that gives strength to plants, and therefore are classified as natural cellulosic fibers. Vegetable fibers are obtained from the following. Where do you obtain the vegetable fibers? The first one, we have the leaves. Leaves from plant sources, from the plants of Cissos, Manila, Abaca. Then you have the other one is the seeds, cotton, kapok, stem burst, An example of a plant that is on the stem brass. You have the flax, hemp, and the jute. Fruits. You have the core. Then you have the last one, that is the husk. You have the coconut. The strands of cellulose fibers in plants are associated with other natural materials such as lignin, wax, gum, and pectin. Therefore, cellulose fibers have to be separated from other materials for it to be useful raw materials for textiles that will be used in making various fabrics. The animal stroke the protein fibers. Animal fibers are also known as the protein fibers. We had talked on that. Natural fibers are obtained from animal sources like hair and other secretion. Fibers include covering from animals such as the sheep, mohair goat, cashmere goat, horse, rabbit, and camel. B. Secretions are obtained from larva or worm stage of the silkworm, which spins the cocoon from which silk fibers are obtained, and from the spider, which spins fine fibers in making its web. There are some of the properties of hair fibers and secretions which are quite similar, and on the other hand, they are properties which are totally different. Then you have two main types of fibers, animal fibers. You have the filament length. This is a continuous length from the silkworm. That is the silkworm, which intends to on the silkworm. This is where we find. This is where the silk fabrics are manufactured from. Then you have the staple length fiber. These ones are short length. They are the short length fibers. E.g., you have the wool and the hair obtained from the process of shearing. The last class is the mineral fibers. These fibers are obtained from minerals, e.g., asbestos. They are of little significance but are used in specialist materials, e.g., fine resistance fabrics. We have a diagram that simplifies on the animal fibers, mineral fibers, plant or vegetable fibers. You can look at that diagram. It is the end topic.